Good morning, everyone. This is the video discussion for lesson number 17, solving problems involving business and consumer loans. Lesson objectives at the end of this module, you students should be able to define business and consumer loans, calculate periodic payment, and construct the amortization table. What are the reasons why people borrow money? Bakit humihiram o nangungutang ng pera ang isang tao? Simply because we want to buy something. So it may be as large as a property or a car, or something smaller like furniture or a computer. We may borrow money to spend it on experiences if you want to travel the world. Or to something smaller like using a credit card for a meal out or for shopping. We also borrow money, or other people borrow money because they want to start a business or to upgrade their existing business. Everyone needs help at one point or another. The same is true for financial help. But the most important part is before we borrow money, we also need to have a good plan on how to pay it in lightest interest as possible. Now, in this module, we will be able to define business and consumer loans and construct amortization table for payment sheet. Now, let's move to the definition of terms. First, we have loan. Let's define first what is a loan. Ano ba si loan? A loan is a written or oral agreement for a temporary transfer of a property, usually cash, from its owner or the lender to a borrower who promises to return it according to the terms of agreement, usually with interest for its use. Next, we have the business loan. Business loan, this is a loan specifically intended for business purposes. Kaya siya tinawag na business loan. It is a loan if you want to put up a business or if you want to upgrade your business. Business loans offer access to credit which can be paid back over an agreed period of time, plus, of course, the interest. Consumer loans. Consumer loans include personal, home equity, and automobile. Under consumer loan, we have the personal loans. Personal loans, these are known as unsecured debt because they are not backed by collateral, such as your home or car, as is the case with a mortgage or auto loan, respectively. In the Philippines, common types of consumer loans that are offered by banks are the auto loans, motorcycle loans, and home loans. Though borrowing money from a bank to finance your very own house or vehicle can be intimidating, some banks make the process easier and smoother for you. Next, we have annuity. An annuity is a financial product used to grow money in order to give the owner a constant stream of payments in the future, such as when they retire or structured settlement. Also, annuity is a long-term investment that is issued by an insurance company and is designed to help and protect you from the risk of outliving your income. Next, we have the amortization. Amortization, this is paying off debt in irregular installment over a period of time, such as with a mortgage or loan. Amortization measures the consumption of the value of intangible assets, such as a patent or a copyright. It is similar to depreciation, except that depreciation is used when referring to tangible assets like a building or equipment, and amortization is used solely for intangible assets. The term amortization refers to two situations. First, amortization is used in the process of paying off debt through regular principal and interest payments over time. And meron tayong tinatawag dyan na amortization schedule. This is used to reduce the current balance on a loan. For example, a mortgage or a car loan through installment payments, which is yun yung gagawin natin later on, which is the amortization schedule or the amortization table. A mortgage. A mortgage is a debt instrument secured by the collateral of a specified real estate property that the borrower is obliged to pay back with a predetermined set of payments. So a mortgage, this is an agreement between you and a lender that gives you the lender the right to take your property if you fail to repay the money you've borrowed, plus, of course, the interest. Mortgage loans are used to buy a home or to borrow money against the value of a home you already own. So that is a mortgage. And yung property na yun yung tinutukoy natin na collateral. Now, both business loans and consumer loans usually require collateral, but not always for a consumer loan, otherwise known as the assets. This is to secure the loan. For both types of loans, collateral may include real estate or investments. In addition, a business loan may be collateralized by equipment, furniture, and fixtures or inventory. In addition to securing the assets of the business, a business loan may also require that the business owners make personal assets available as well. The collateral, yung tinatawag natin collateral, these are assets that a lender accepts as a security for extending a loan. If the borrower defaults, then the lender may seize the collateral. Now, in order to calculate the interest expense for a mortgage, you need to know several key details. The term of the mortgage, most are for 30 years, but others are available. Okay, and the mortgage principal, which is the amount you finance, the interest rate on the loan, which will remain the same throughout the term if you have a fixed rate mortgage, and the monthly payment on the mortgage to determine what portion of each payment is going to pay principal versus interest for each month of the loan. So let's have the illustration number 1. So Stephanie wished to purchase a second-hand car worth 312,500 and the seller requires a 20% down payment. What is the amount of her mortgage loan? So the purchase price is 312,500. That's the original price of the second-hand car. And the seller requires Stephanie to pay 20%. That will serve as down payment. So, ganun kasi kapag you will have a car loan, of course, you need to have a down payment para sa part din yun nung nagpautang ng sasakyan. Now, to compute for the down payment, what is the 20% of 312,500? So, to get the interest, the 20%, we just need to multiply. So, down payment is equal to the purchase price times the down payment in percentage. So, the purchase price is 312,000. Okay, 312,000 times the percentage of the down payment, which is 20%, and that is equal to 0.20. Okay, so always remember kung magko-convert kayo ng percentage into decimal, you just need to move 2 decimal places to the left. 1, 2. Okay, then doon na yung point. Then add 0 there. So that's 0.20. Or you just can divide. Okay, so 20 divided by 100. That is 0.20. So multiply this to 312,500 times 0.20, and that is equal to 62,500. Okay, that means 62,500 is the 20% of the purchase price, 312,500, and that will be Stephanie's down payment for the second-hand car. Now, the total price of the car is 312,500. And of course, we subtract 62,500 so that we will know kung ilan pa yung remaining balance niya. Therefore, if you pay the 20% down payment, or if Stephanie paid the 20% down payment, the amount of the mortgage loan would be the balance after the down payment has been deducted. So, ang tawag na doon is the mortgage loan. Okay, so the mortgage loan, that is equal to the purchase price or the original price of the car minus the down payment. Kasi magda-down payment ka na. So, ibig sabihin, mababawasan na yung uutangin mo na amount. And that is 312,500 minus, okay, this is the down payment, 62,500. So, just subtract this two, you will get 250,000 pesos. So, this is your mortgage loan. 250,000 pa yung kailangan mong bayaran. So, maglo-loan ka ng 250,000. Kasi ang pera mo lang is 62,500. Now, term of the loan, that is the total number of payments. Siyempre, meron siyang given, there is a given time kung ilang months or years mo babayaran yung utang na inutang mo, yung pera na inutang mo. Now, the installment payment on the loan is termed amortization. Okay, this is called amortization. It is a process for repaying a loan through equal payments, okay, at a specific rate for a specific length of time. Equal payments. So, pare-parehas hanggang matapos mo yung specific length of time. And mabayaran mo lahat yung utang. And the schedule prepared showing the installment payments for the period of payment is called the amortization table. Illustration number 2. Let's assume that Stephanie have to make one payment per month for 3 years. Okay, so Stephanie wished to have one payment per month. So, for 3 years. So, 3 years and then every month magbabayad siya. So, we know that in 1 year, we have 12 months. So, ilang months meron tayo sa 3 taon? Okay, so just multiply. Or you can just add 12 plus 12 plus 12. Okay, so 3 years, this will be our N or the term of the loan is equal to 3 years times, kasi monthly, yung pagbayad niya, so 12 months per year. And 3 times 12, that is equal to 36. Ibig sabihin, there will be 36 monthly payments. Now, to compute for the monthly payment, yung kanina, si 36, that is the term of the loan. Now, let's compute for the monthly payment. This is to determine the monthly payment, we use the following formula. Okay, so para malaman natin kung magkano ba yung babayaran niya every month within the 36 monthly payments, this is the formula. A is equal to I times P times the quantity of 1 plus I raised to N divided by 1 plus I raised to N minus 1. Or A is equal to P times I divided by 1 minus the quantity of 1 plus I raised to negative N. So, parang itong pangalawang formula is just the reciprocal of the formula here. Kaya si N dito is positive, tapos napunta siya sa denominator, naging negative. Wherein, okay, A, that is the monthly payment. Okay, the monthly payment is represented by the letter A. And that is equal to I, which is I is the monthly interest rate. P is the loan's initial amount. Then, N is the total number of payments. Ang N natin is 36.